Still live on MX24GH. I'm here with a legend, someone I've looked up to for a very long time. And I know, when they hear legend, you're like, oh no, but yes, that's what they are. The queen herself, Nanama, how are you doing, lady?
I am very good, darling.
You look lovely.
Thank you so much.
Tell us what goes into being you in terms of consistency in entertainment, being the brand that all these young girls look up to and want to be like.
Okay, I think first of all, we in everything we have to thank God. And also, one must understand what you stand for, what you are able to do, your capabilities is what you need to focus on. I'm not too educated, as in, I don't have the certificates to show, but I think practically, I'm a practical person, and I love to put whatever creative minds that come to me in place, as in motions. So basically, one must enjoy what you do, love it, give it your all, and know the craft about it. It's a marketing, it's a strategy. You need it. You need to understand what you do before you can see the in and out. Don't just wake up and do something.
Thank you so much and keep inspiring us. But one thing I want to ask you, you've been in the industry for so long. Are you happy with the state of Ghanaian entertainment, where it's going, looking at it from a distance and also being a part of it, Ghanaian music and everything else under that big umbrella?
I think our entertainment industry is basically an individual grounds. In Ashanti, they say, it's a quiet, but idea we need the support from the above, some structures to be in place, and then our industry, this question can solve it itself. So basically, we're doing what we can to survive it, but we can do more, but with the support from the government. That's all.
That's very important. Thank you so much for adding your voice to this constantly. Who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
To be honest, I go to a place, first of all, I think about myself. Yes. I am going there to do what? Oh, I'm going there because it's VGMA 21. Like, okay. But first thing is, I want to go. It's not VGMA inviting me because they called and it's the right time, the right feeling. I want to go. So everything here is important, and everything I'm here to do, I'm going to enjoy it. I'm ready to do it. So I came to enjoy myself.
Thank you so much. You're the queen, and we're forever going to look up to you.